Hello IG Garage family, is your car showing the P0028 error code and losing performance? This issue can lead to poor acceleration, rough idling, and even engine damage if ignored. In this video we'll cover what P0028 means, the exact sensor location which is very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. Stay tuned, because skipping this can cost you a lot in repairs. What does P0028 mean? The P0028 code stands for Intake Valve Control Solenoid Circuit Range, Performance, Bank 2. This means the variable valve timing or variable valve lift system is not working properly on Bank 2. The ECU detects an issue with oil flow or timing adjustments and triggers the code. Symptoms of P0028 include the check engine light being on, engine hesitation or rough idling, decreased acceleration and power, poor fuel economy, and even knocking noises in some cases. Common causes of P0028 are a faulty intake valve control solenoid, low or dirty engine oil, a malfunctioning camshaft position sensor, wiring or connector issues, and timing chain problems. Where are the sensors located for P0028? First, the intake valve control solenoid for Bank 2 is usually found on the intake manifold or near the camshaft or valve cover. In V6 or V8 engines, Bank 2 is typically on the passenger side. Next, the camshaft position sensor or CMP for Bank 2 is located near the camshaft gear or timing cover. It helps regulate valve timing adjustments. And finally, the oil control valve or OCV is found on the cylinder head near the camshaft. It regulates oil flow for VVT operation. Here's a little tip. Check your car's repair manual for the exact sensor location based on your make and model. Alright, let's dive into how to diagnose and fix P0028. First, check and change the engine oil. Dirty or low oil can affect VVT performance. Next, inspect the intake valve control solenoid. If it's clogged, clean it with a solvent. If it's faulty, you'll need to replace it. Then, test the camshaft position sensor or CMP. Use an OBD2 scanner to verify the sensor readings. Also, inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for any damaged or loose connections. Finally, clear the code and take the car for a test drive. After making the repairs, clear the P0028 code and drive the car to confirm the fix. So that's all you need to know about P0028, intake valve control solenoid circuit range and performance for Bank 2. If you're facing this issue, check your oil, solenoid, camshaft sensor, and wiring first. For more helpful car fixes, check out these videos next. First, P0069, manifold absolute pressure sensor performance issue, and second, P0002, fuel volume regulator control circuit range performance. If this video helped you, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.